Da ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 da.
I don't care about your past relationships. I don't care about your past sex partners. I don't care about your 6 best or worst childhood experiences. I don't care about your favorite movie. I don't care about your favorite book. I don't care about your highest level of education. I don't care about the things that upset you the most. I don't care about your 6 best friends. I don't care about your favorite food. I don't care about your favorite non-alcoholic or alcoholic drink. I don't care about the length of time it takes for you to get bored. I don't care about your favorite TV show. I don't care about your religious preference. I don't care about your favorite song, your favorite male or female singer, your favorite actor or actress. I don't care if you play with dolls or cars. I don't care if you wake up early or you sleep in late. I don't care if you use the restroom when the door is open. How many hours do you like to work in a week? There is a difference between you at home and you out on the town. I care if you got a criminal background. I care if you have had or if you currently have a sexually transmitted disease. I care if you have medical problems. I care if you have had medical operations. I care if you got a problem relocating. And I definitely care about how many children you want to have. Do you have any talents? What's your main concern right now? What is your greatest fear, huh? What if you tell me both of us can conquer that fear together? Just me and you, baby.